What's up mga chong? Kung di ako nagkakamali, unang vlog natin to na gabi, right? And I am driving here right now the Pajero Evolution ni Kuya Brian. We're gonna detail it. Pinark ko kasi to dun sa inuupahan kong parking space, so it'll be safe, right? Right now, I'm bringing it home para i-engine detail. I'll cover it on video. I'll show you how to engine detail your car. Any car, basically. Using minimal tools, walang compressor, walang power wash, walang foam, lahat. Yung mga bagay lang na usually makikita sa mga bahay-bahay natin. So, stick around, stay tuned. Here are the things you would be needing to the bare minimum. Pakikita ko sa inyo. Now, lahat to gagawin natin using yung mga common substance like dishwashing liquid kasi I ran out of degreaser, to be quite honest, and kerosene, naghanap tayo sa mga gas station nearby, you know, to no avail. Walang available na kerosene, so ito yung alternative na pwede nyong gawin. I have here the Pajero Evolution right here sa tapat ng aming dental clinic. Ayan siya, chilling in the rain. I-detail ko yung engine niya. Figured kasi ang sarap detail nun dahil madumi, of course. And on this particular detailing, ipakikita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-detail with a bare minimum of tools. For example, ito. Kung wala kang compressor, pwede itong pambuga ng hangin na to. So that's one. Toothbrush. Ngayon, kung gusto mo pang gawin pati yung ilalim ng hood, kung medyo light color, just like that Pajero, gusto mong kuminis din yung ilalim, I'm using this. Ayan. This particular 3M product is very brilliant. Ano pa ba? Joy. Kung ganitong gabi ang pagtatrabahuhan nyo, better kung may ganito ka rin ilaw for those hard to see areas. Pero kami kasi, business namin dati ang car wash. So gamay na gamay ko na kahit anong oras pa siya. Kung may ganito kayo, applicator pad, better. Kung wala, kahit na simpleng hand towel, microfiber, pwede na yan. And yep, additional brushes para sa mga medyo malilinis na part. Yung isa pang grasa yun, let's say ganun. So on this procedure, you wanna open the hood. Of course, itong hood na itong Pajero Evolution na to, nakakagulat lang, ang gaan. It's because it's made of aluminum. If you have engine covers such as this one, naka-fasten to, you might wanna get the necessary tools, tanggalin mo siya safely, and you make sure that you keep all the fasteners. Ngayon, in the absence of foaming tank, the use of soapy rag or soapy toothbrush na gamit na or soapy sponge would be useful to agitate those, you know, stubborn grime, stubborn grease na nandyan sa engine bay nyo. And it's quite efficient, you know, hindi ka gagastos ng maraming dishwashing liquid. Just be careful when scrubbing electrical connectors. Be gentle on those, lilinis naman yan. And you might want to proceed with caution. Cover nyo ng plastic kung ano man dapat i-cover, alternator, battery, air intake. But on this case, wala naman akong power washer na ginagamit, so I just went on with it. Tsaka alam ko naman kung nasan yung air intake niyan. I made sure na walang tubig na pupunta doon. I'm not blasting it with water. Kung napapansin nyo nga, yung pressure ng tubig ko hindi pa nakabukas yung gripo all the way. So yung tumutulo dun sa hose, hindi masyadong malakas. Once everything has been scrubbed, once everything has been cleaned nicely, you would want to rinse everything really well. So basahin nyo lang nicely and make sure that all of the suds are gone. If you have the power washer available, you just want to make sure that you don't blast it with sharp setting, yung matulis ba. You might wanna set your nozzle into a spray mode para hindi harsh yung tatama sa mga electrical connectors and, you know, sockets. After rinsing everything, you would want to wipe everything dry using your microfiber towel. Or kung meron kayong ganito, yung hand pump, that would be pretty useful para yung mga nooks and crannies, yung mga singit-singit, matanggalin nyo ng dumi. And you would not regret taking a few minutes doing this. Once everything is relatively dry, you can then, you know, start the engine. I-rev nyo lang kung necessary katulad nito para mas matuyo pa yung mga nandun sa loob. Sa engine cover, basically same cleaning procedure lang. Wala namang electrical connector sa mga engine cover usually. Just go like hell with it. Tignan nyo lang yung natatanggal ditong dumi, right? Reinstall the fasteners and the cover to make sure everything is installed properly, walang kumakalampag, and once you're done, you may enjoy the result. Here's just a clip showing what it looks like before we cleaned it up and after cleaning it. So yeah. If you like this video, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Malaking tulong po yan para sa channel natin, bawat isang subscription. Okay, that was quite a workout. So in-engine wash natin yung Pajero Evolution, and my top tip for, you know, DIY engine wash, because we understand that not everyone is, you know, very keen on doing this. Yung iba medyo nag-aalangan pa, or first timer na mag-engine wash. Well, I have a few top tips for you guys. Actually, pati yung mga experiensyado dyan, yung mga seasoned na nagdi-DIY sa mga auto nila. This is also useful, I think. Well, first, huwag po kayong matakot kung may gusto kayong gawin sa auto nyo. Back it up with research. Research nyo yung modelo ng sasakyan nyo. YouTube is always there. May mga YouTuber na I'm sure nakapagtrabaho na sila sa mga katulad ng mga sasakyan natin. And proceed with caution, of course. Alamin nyo lang kung ano yung mga dapat i-cover, yung mga ganyan. Yung mga dapat i-save, yung mga procedures na simple lang. Number 2, there's no need for power tools, definitely. Nagawa natin this sa Pajero. I'm pretty certain you can do it on your own garage using simple tools, just like what we did, right? Number 3, yun nga, nasabi ko, cover sensitive parts. Yun lang usually yung mga electrical connectors, coil packs, mga battery terminal. But as you saw dun sa ginawa ko, hindi ko naman tinakpan na kasi I'm pretty keen on doing that. I used to do it a lot in our car wash. Number 4, last but not the least, make sure that everything is dry before you start your vehicle because you don't want to cause any shortage or electrical shortage for that matter. And hindi naman basta-basta nangyayari yun because these cars are engineered, developed to deal with elements kasi engine nababasa yan pagka umaandar tayo habang umuulan or pag nalulusong sa baha, creek crossing, mga ganyan. So there's not that much to worry about. And good luck kung susubok kayo. I hope everything goes well. And for now, that would be it for this video. And this has been your Garage King. You drive safe as always. Ciao!